India, the valley of ancient civilization, has a rich heritage of textiles and clothing. The tradition continues, and today India is flourishing with traditional handcrafted and modern textile mills. India is the second largest textile manufacturer in the world, and the industry is thriving backed by its entrepreneurial spirit, huge market, and deployment of modern manufacturing technology. Thus, Indian textile industry's need for modern manufacturing machinery and technology has resulted in a large market for spinning, weaving, knitting, dyeing, printing, digital printing, wet finishing, embroidery, garment machinery, and quality control equipment. Not only that, the industry also has large demand for software for plant operation and utility equipment, and so on. Textile and clothing is one of the front runners and core segments of the Indian manufacturing industry, contributing to 7% of the total industrial output and employing about 45 million people directly. Today, India also stands tall as the second largest market for the textile machinery, accounting for over enormous $3.8 billion. Gujarat, the state where ITMACH India is hosted, is a pioneer in the fields of textiles, manufacturing houses over 2,000 medium and large textile units, and contributes to 25% of the country's technical textile output. Backed by industrial-friendly policies of the central government and individual state governments, the ever-growing textiles and apparel industry in the country has also brightened the scope for corresponding growth in the demand for textile machinery and equipment. In order to provide for the trust to the textile machineries, K&D ITMACH Expositions LLP is proud to bring to you the third edition of ITMACH India, International Textile Machinery and Accessories Exhibition. The show would be held from 5th to 8th December 2019 at the Exhibition Centre at Gandhinagar, Ahmedabad, India, and it will be a perfect corrugation to witness the latest machinery in the textile technology. Meet, learn, and network with leading technical experts. Develop business relations with buyers and suppliers worldwide. ITMACH India 2019 will cover an area of 40,000 square meter and attract 35,000 buyers and visitors from India and its neighboring countries. The exhibition will host over 500 exhibitors from over 12 countries and has the business potential of 200 to 250 million US dollars. The success of ITMACH India exhibition can be comprehended with the confirmed participation of leading textile machinery and technology suppliers and associations. The show has sustained support of leading textile machinery and user industry associations like China Textile Machinery Association, African Cotton Textile Industry Federation, Pedexil, Textiles Committee, Government of India, Gujarat Chambers of Commerce, the Ahmedabad Textile Processors Association, and many more, including leading trade medias. Discover new markets and explore new customers. ITMACH India 2019 would be held from 5th to 8th December 2019 at the Exhibition Centre at Gandhinagar, Ahmedabad, India.